My dear student, how are you? Hope you are well. By the grace of Almighty Allah, I am also well. In this pandemic situation, stay home, save yourself, save others. In this situation, you should not waste your time. You should use your time properly. That means as a student, you should study regularly. You know, I took several class about English second paper. I also took a class about completing sentences. Now, today I want to take a class and let us enjoy the class. You know, I am Jiaur Rahman. I am your English teacher. I want to take a class of English, and it is for class 9. My dear student, can you see the picture? In this picture, we can see a man is wasting time and lying on the sofa. That means he is lazy. Since he was lazy, he failed in the exam. But a student, can you see a picture? In this picture, we can see a boy. That means it is a boy. And if we want to complete the sentence, and the whole sentence will be, who is going to school? My dear students, what have we done in the above slides? Try your level best. My dear student, basically we have completed the incomplete sentences, because in the before slides there are 2 sentences and both sentences were incomplete, and we completed the sentence. My dear students, try your level best to find out our today's topic to discuss. Yes, our today's topic is completing sentence. My dear student, let us discuss or enjoy a class about completing sentences. And this slide about learning outcome, this is not for you, this is for us. Now let us start our class. In the first classes we took class about completing sentences, and in that classes I discussed about some rules about completing sentences. Today we will also discuss some rules about completing sentences. Now, first rule is though, although, and its meaning, Bangla meaning is jodio. And my dear student, here we can see an example, though it is expensive, and the sentence is incomplete, and we have to complete it by using the structure. The structure is though, although, subject, auxiliary verb, adjective. And we can see first clause subject auxiliary verb adjective. Though it is expensive. Here it is a subject, is auxiliary verb, expensive is adjective, and we have to complete the incomplete sentence by using a clause, and the clause will be, my dear student, try your level best to complete the incomplete sentence. Yes, it is. We can use a verb, related verb, and the answer is, it is gorgeous. Okay, my dear student, then the full sentence is, though it is expensive, it is gorgeous. Let us practice another rule. We can see a picture, a boy. Maybe the boy is hungry because he is holding spoon. So we can see, or we can say that the boy is hungry. That means though the boy is hungry, this is an incomplete sentence. And we can see another picture. This is also a boy who is very cute, nice, beautiful, or lovely. And the incomplete sentence is, though the boy is lovely. And we have to complete both the incomplete sentences. Now try your level best to find out the answer. Now let us try. Though he is hungry, and if we complete the sentence, he is not taking food. The second sentence, that means in the second picture, though the baby is lovely, it is dirty, because there is dirt on its cheek. Now let us go to the next slide. This is another rule. We can see two pictures, and the incomplete sentence is, this is a heart which, and the structure is relative pronoun, using relative pronoun, who, which, whom, etc. And the structure is some subject plus verb plus object plus relative pronoun plus auxiliary verb or verb plus object or noun. And if we want to complete the incomplete sentence by using this structure, the result will be, that means the full sentence will be, is very small. Here which is a relative pronoun, is auxiliary verb, and very small is extension. Clear, my dear student? So let us go to the next rule. We can see a picture, and he is our national poet, Kazi Nazrul Islam. And we can see another picture, and regarding first picture, the incomplete sentence is, I know the poet who. And regarding second picture, there is an incomplete sentence. The incomplete sentence is, I like a girl whose brother. My dear students, try your level best to complete the incomplete sentences. Yes. And first sentence, I know the poet who is our national poet. The second incomplete sentence, if we want to complete the sentence, the full sentence will be, I like a girl whose brother is my friend. My dear students, we have to collect such kinds of clause or verb or phrase regarding or that it must be related to the incomplete parts. My dear students, go to the next slide, and in this slide we can see another structure. You can see also two pictures, and in the incomplete sentence is as it is raining. As it is raining, my dear student, and here the structure is used by a conjunction as, since, because, and its meaning is karone, and the structure is as, since, because, plus subject plus verb plus object, plus subject verb object. That means if we use such kinds of conjunction, the sentence must be in complex sentence, and there will be two clauses. One is principal clauses, another is subordinate clauses. And we can see any incomplete sentence, as it is raining. If we want to complete the sentence, we cannot go to school. My dear students, clear? Yes. Now go to the next rule. We can see a picture of a girl, maybe observing the appearance. We can say that she is a very poor girl. That means the incomplete sentence here is since she is poor. And another picture, maybe he is respecting or saluting somebody. And the incomplete sentence is everybody respects him because. My dear student, try your level best to complete the incomplete sentences. Let us try. My dear student, question number 1. Since she is poor, she collects garbage. That means there is another clause is included in the incomplete sentences. And if we want to clarify that when we use conjunction since, then the sentence must be a complex sentence. Since here is conjunction. She is poor, this is a clause. She collects garbage is another clause. Okay, now go to the next incomplete sentence. Everybody respects him because. Everybody respects him because. If we want to complete the sentence will be he is an honest man. Everybody respects him because he is an honest man. Now, my dear students, this is another rule, and we can see two pictures. And regarding the context, we will see two incomplete sentences, and the first one is she tells the story as if. My dear students, there is a structure as if and as though. The meaning of both structure is equal. That means general. And if we want to use this structure, the structure will be as if or as though, subject, verb, object, plus subject, verb 2, that means past form, plus object. She tells the story as if. And if we want to complete the sentence, there will be another clause, and the clause must be in past indefinite tense. And if we use as if or as though, and if the first clause is present tense, then the second clause will be past indefinite, and if the first clause past indefinite, then the second clause will be past perfect. And by using this structure, if we complete the incomplete sentence, the answer will be she tells the story as if she wrote it. Now let us go to the another rule. Eats dustbin food as if the clause is in present indefinite tense, and the next clause will be past indefinite. The answer the answer will be he had become a maid. That means as it is past indefinite, then the conditional clause must be in past perfect tense. He had become a maid. And if we want to complete the second sentence, he donated blood as though he had become a philanthropist. You can see the one clause, that means the first clause is past indefinite, the second clause must be in past perfect. My dear students, in this class we came to know some rules and regulations about completing sentences, and using such structure or rules, I am giving you some homeworks, and try your level best to complete the incomplete sentences. And when our school will open, then you will have to submit this homework to us. So stay home, and you will have to prepare your homework given by us. Number 1, though he is kind. Number 2, I know the man who is. Number 3, as he is rich. Number 4, she cooks food as if she cooked food as though. My dear students, our class is over. My dear students, stay home, save yourself, save others, prepare your homework, and you should not waste your time. You should use your time properly. May Allah bless you. Thank you and goodbye.